How to change appearance in Wise. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So here we in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Now slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called Language and Appearance. Tap on it. Here on the bottom, tap on Appearance. So basically there are two different types, light one and the dark one. So you can select the one that you want to customize. So it's up to you and the way you like. At last, you can simply go back and you're all set to go. So the whole appearance is completely changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.